In this video, I will be telling you a bit about Instagram Threads if you are wondering what is Instagram Threads. So let's jump straight into it. So Threads is basically a new app that's been built by the Instagram team, and it's basically used for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. In a way, it's actually similar to Twitter. It's kind of like an alternative. So like on Instagram, with Threads you can actually follow and connect with friends and creators who share your interests, including the people you follow on Instagram and beyond. So what happens is you actually get a feed on Threads, and what it does, it includes threads posted by people you follow, and of course it's going to recommend content from creators you haven't yet discovered. So when you actually do a thread or post, then that can actually be up to 500 characters long, and you can put links and also photos and videos which are up to 5 minutes in length, and choose to share that on Threads. Also, you can share your Threads posts to your Instagram story as well as to other platforms, so things like Facebook and Twitter. So if you want to get started with Threads, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is log into your Instagram account. So I'm just going to show you how to do that now. And what you want to do is come to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. From here, if you come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three lines, you're going to see an option for Threads. So what you want to do is press onto this. And you'll see at the very bottom on this screen, it says get threads. All you want to do is basically press onto that and you can go ahead and set up your profile. And as you can see, it's very similar to Twitter. It's got like a feed like Twitter, so you can just scroll through and see different threads from other content creators. So I do have more tutorials on my channel about Threads and more in-depth tutorials on how to use Threads. So make sure to check out the channel and check out my other videos that I have on Threads. With that being said, I hope you have a better understanding of what Threads is now. And I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching this tutorial. If it did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next tutorial.